going on, boaters? I'm standing on a 280 Dauntless that just arrived in Nisswa. Powered this by twin Mercury 300 V8s with the joystick piloting. Perfect fishing and day boat. I'm gonna walk you through this. Coming on the side here, have a really nice bench. If you wanna be able to sit forward or put this down, and you're gonna have a huge casting platform. Cup holders are nearby, so if you're sitting there, cocktail cruising, really good spot to be. You also have your live well in here, insulated, or it can double as a cooler. I want to show you one of my favorite features. If you're at the sandbar or if you're casting, you have this little step out swim terrace here. Really nice spot. At the center console here, you have your storage drawers for fishing. If you want to put any storage in here. Coming to the seat, this also flip this up and it goes backwards so you can face passengers here in this seat. I really like that there's bolsters, so nice and high, easy for viewing. Coming to the screen, everything with Whaler, very easy to use. So you have your digital throttles here, have your joystick with your sky hook here, so digital anchor. Simrad, you got all your Mercury controls here, lighting, maps, anything you're gonna want for fishing, storage. Also have wireless charger in the front, huge windshield, so protect yourself from the elements. Coming into the front, again, huge storage in this boat. You also have your toilet right here. You can put your rods going through. They're gonna be really nice and protected. Walking to the front of this boat, I love the seating area here. You're gonna have a huge sun pad, really nice spot to hang out, and pop-up chairs in the front. Again, if you wanna be able to fish all day, take this seating out and it's gonna be a really nice area to cast. I wanna highlight one more area on this boat, and that's the storage in this boat. It is massive, so just got this here at MarineMax in Nisswa. Come and check it out today.